Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off updates completed on your Google Play Store app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you list like this here, and you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here to settings window, and all you have to do now, just click here on general, then it's going to take you to settings window here, then you just click here on notifications, and it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do now, so you just come here to evidence completed, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see now here, it's going to take you to next step here, then you just come here to show notifications, you will click here on this sign blue here, and like you say sign it's gone or color it's gone, that's mean if it's completed, it's turned off. No, that's all, thank you. So like you see here, it's on off. Thank you for your watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.